Hi, my name is Orion. I am originally from Missouri. When I came out in 2017 as transgender, I lost the support of my parents and then lost my insurance through them. And in order to continue my care, I would have to pay for it out of pocket. GoodRx has meant that I have control over my care and that I have more avenues available to me in my life because of it. The emotional and physical changes of being on a regular dose of testosterone and then suddenly having none of it is like pretty intense whiplash. It's a hormonal medication and stopping that has a lot of side effects. The pharmacy had quoted me $1,400. In Missouri, that's more than my rent was. And I was feeling really hopeless and a lot of anxiety about losing my medication after I just started it. And that's when my pharmacist recommended GoodRx. And they got it down to $250, which is a big change and a lifesaver. And because of literally saving a rent's worth amount of money, I have been able to invest in my hobbies. I can buy new skate shoes. I'm also able to now afford an animation program. GoodRx has been super easy for me to use. I saved a lot of money on my necessary care, and I don't have to worry about missing my dose. It gave me the opportunity to be whole. I feel secure knowing GoodRx is there.